Hello and welcome everybody from Vietnam. This time we'll visit the Mekong River Delta. It is the place where the Mekong River approaches and empties into the South China Sea through a large network of distributaries. You can imagine a very large land of 40,500 square kilometers. This is the Mekong Delta, and they produce here more than half of the grain of the whole country, so it is a very important place from the point of view of agriculture in Vietnam. So yes, this is a very interesting and amazing place because we can admire the fauna and flora of the Mekong Delta, and well, we will take a boat ride through these distributaries. And well, what I also wanted to say, how you can get to the Mekong Delta. There are many tour options. I booked a one-day trip from Ho Chi Minh City, and well, I will tell you about the city, much more interesting informations in the next vlogs. But well, it was only $17 US, not very expensive, and hotel pickup and hotel drop-off is also included, and also lunch is included. So yeah, I think it will be an absolutely amazing trip. Our first stop will be a village, a little town called My Tho, where we will see a very beautiful pagoda. This is like 70 kilometers far from Ho Chi Minh City. So now we are already on the territory of the Mekong Delta, and this is the My Tho village. So our first stop is at the Vinh Trang pagoda. Usually most of the tour companies stop here because this pagoda has amazing huge Buddha statues. The pagoda itself was constructed in 1849 and is absolutely beautifully decorated. This is a standing female Buddha, so people come here to pray for fertility, for childborn. As you can see now, also some people are praying. Many Buddha statues here.
Tí đi ra mình chụp tĩnh điện đẹp hơn.
Absolutely giant happy Buddha. I don't have any information how tall is he, but I would say it's at least 50 meters. So yeah, absolutely huge statue. This is the happy Buddha for which you need to rub his bell in order to get lucky or happy, or both. So yeah, it's a little bit hard task in this case, so yeah. Will not climb there. Many beautiful flowers in this garden. We have only 30 minutes here, so many tourists are running around. It's a little bit funny, but well, if you want to discover everything, then it's maybe too short time, but we still have many destinations. This is the Mekong River already.
Around 3 kilometers. 3 kilometers, and it was built in 2010 by Vietnam government. And if you do 2 days or 3 day tour in Mekong Delta, you can see in Mekong Delta has around 5 people stay rich like this one. That bridge was built by Vietnam government, and another bridge was built.
Now we stopped at a bee farm, and they will show us a beehive. This is our second stop after the pagoda.
Okay, so now you can photo with the bee here. Okay, let's say in garden, like many bee buses like this one. So one family is around 3,000 to 4,000 bees. The yellow one is the worker bee. 99% is a worker bee, and the black one, smaller, is the male worker bee. Has only 20 or 25 male worker bee in one family like this one. And in one bee buses has only one queen bee. Queen bee can live around 3 to 4 years, and the worker bee can live only 3 months. Because worker bee work very hard, go to flower, collect honey, bee pollen, and go back to the beehive and feed for the queen bee. And the male worker bee we call lazy bee, just say beehive and just live for the naturation. And in this area, local people, they can collect honey, bee pollen, and dry honey from the bee.
Well, I guess already what's the purpose of this tub until they gave us a small cup of tea for free. You can see how small is this cup. Tea with honey. Yeah, after that they wanted to sell us more honey and pollen and royal jelly, which can also be used as a face massage. So yeah, that's the point of this stop, to buy things from the locals from this bee farm. I think, yeah, I always find these stops unnecessary. It happens in Thailand also many times, but well, it's normal business here in Southeast Asia. What is the name of this island?
Huh?
What is the name of this island? Island name?
Haisha.
Haisha.
Yeah.
Haisha Island.
Yeah.
Haisha Island. That's the name of the driver. So now we are taking this buggy car trip around the island. I was not expecting for this, to be honest. mangosteen, durian. Wow.
Em bồi hồi, em có chờ lâu không? Thôi đừng giận mà em. Cho tuổi thân em quá bao lần đời hỏi lâu. Anh cứ luôn trẻ hoài, thôi để anh sẽ đền. Một đó học cho em ước buồn giấc chưa? Mưa lên cao chót chót, nhìn qua ngọn bờ ra. Con khi già nó anh trái gần. Ta tình ta, ta tình ta.
Local people, they will ride the boat for you. Remember, keep your head inside. Don't put your head outside. Under the water has been rubber. Because under the boat, officer will hit the finger and say bye bye to the gì đấy? Được không? Ra ngoài vậy? Ăn trong hết. And our boat number 48, okay? Big boat number 48. And if you did enter that.
Hả? Lấy em điện kia ấy, đừng có nghe nói kể cho.
Ok, ra trong em đi. Ra đây dính luôn ra.
So now we start the real boat rides in the Mekong Delta. We have very channels like this until all the rivers flow to the South China Sea. It's a real jungle trip. Admire the lush vegetation all over. Absolutely amazing. I never saw something similar like this. The Mekong Delta has been dubbed the biological treasure trove. Over 1,000 animal species were recorded between 1997 and 2007, and also new species of plants, fish, lizards and mammals have been discovered in previously unexplored areas, including the Laotian rock rat, which they thought that it's extinct already. Cruising through the lush labyrinth of palm-fringed channels, rivers and islands of the Mekong Delta is absolutely amazing trip, and very good escape from the hustle of bustle of Ho Chi Minh City.
I don't think this is deep enough for swimming.
Well, you ask them what is it there. Bà không ngồi cái hình tôi đâu.
Chụp kéo anh ơi coi trời.
Vamos lá, Paulo.
Giờ tới Tiền Giang đi.
The tour guide said that there is no crocodile in the water, so we shouldn't be afraid of that.
Kêu ở lại ba chiếc nữa đó là mà mày tao mày với ông thì
The Mekong River is absolutely huge, as you can see. It is more than 4,000 kilometers long. It originates in China and it crosses through 6 countries: China, Laos, Myanmar, Cambodia, Thailand and Vietnam. And it's providing life and food for more million peoples depend from the Mekong River. The local people actually not scared of the flooding because when the rainy season comes, the Mekong River is flooded and it will provide water supply for the rice fields. So actually locals wait for the rainy season for the flooding. Now we stopped in a smaller island where they will show us how they make coconut candy absolutely from scratch. It will be interesting.
They make coconut candy. Right, so now I will show you how to make coconut candy. They use whole coconuts like this one. They don't use the young one because the flesh inside whole coconut thicker than the young one. And from the flesh, they will have coconut powder and they extract coconut milk to make the candy. So more flesh, more coconut milk, more candy. And to separate the husk, they use this one. And they do like this. Okay. Right, easy. Để tập làm nha, để làm. And say this one they can use a fuel for burning. They can make the rod or the matches like this one. Private. They don't waste anything. See? This one. Okay.
Ça sent. Qu'est-ce que ça sent bien?
Okay. That's more like this one.
Ah non, c'est pas ça, je change.
Inside.
C'est que
And three more like this one. Like a monkey, right?
Ah, c'est bon.
And after that they use this knife and cut half coconut. That is.
Ah oui.
Okay, the flesh inside,
Ah, puis elle a
thicker
l'air bien
than the young
fraîche.
one,
Ça,
right?
c'est bon.
That's your chef.
Ah, ça, c'est cool.
That's right. Okay, and a long time ago,
T'as fini sur ça?
they use this one.
Ah, bah, il
You
a
have
mis sa
coconut
bouche.
powder.
Oui, mais
You do like this.
Ah oui. Ah bah là, bah oui, tu t'en mets pas. Ah ouais.
See, they have coconut powder. Like this one. Today have machine, so easier. Separate the flesh and the hard shell.
Il va aller de notre
The
côté.
flesh they will put into the machine.
Ah oui, pour faire après la soude. Ah, tu vois.
And this one, they can make a rice bowl
Ouais.
or
J'ai vu ça.
make a souvenir.
Oui,
Okay.
oui. Ah, petit peu.
And the flesh they will put into the machine like this one. When they have this one, they will have coconut milk. Okay, and this one, coconut milk. So they collect all coconut powder and they put into the ration machine over there. Around 2 to 3 hours, they inject all coconut milk. After that, they give it one more night and rest powder.
Thanks.
You have coconut oil. Oil they can use for cooking or for massage. And the coconut milk they will put into the pot over there. I come here, please.
Regarde.
You know, in the past, they didn't have a machine. So coconut milk they will put into the pot like this one, and they use this one like the paddle, right? They mix all it together 1 hour non-stop. Non-stop 1 hour. Okay. Today have machine so easy like this one. They put 60% coconut milk, 30% malt. MALT, malt from the young rice. So the sweet from the malt, not from the sugar. They don't put any sugar into the candy, right? And 10% is the flavor. Peanut, coffee, ingredient. How about that? To make a already tried the peanut over there. So the peanut is the red part. And one. And this one, bán đắt đi.
Okay, one bedroom, 20,000. I find it for free. Can I try this one? Now we go to the next step, and on the way back we don't stop anymore.
now we have stopped for lunch, and after we ate we had a free program. We could do everything we want, and some tourists decided to take a bike around the village, around the island. I didn't do it. These bikes are really old and I still needed to do some recordings. So yeah, I chose to lurk around this beautiful garden, palm garden. These small rivers are also very nice. Many coconut trees. It's a very nice place to hang out after food. I absolutely enjoy the trip so far. Mekong Delta is a very special place. So this was the vlog about Mekong Delta. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if that's so, please subscribe to my channel if you didn't do it yet. It's very important to push on the bell icon, because this is how you get notified about the new contents. Have a nice day and goodbye.